It operates independently and houses the PLC, servo motors, and other electrical elements. This design can prevent electrical components from being damaged due to overheating, making the electrical components more durable. To ensure the smoothness and flatness of lamination, the two foam rolls are distributed at different heights in front and behind. The height of the foam rolls can be adjusted by the air cylinder, so even the foam roll is more than 100 meters long or 150 millimeters thick. It can be easily hung on the racks, reducing the labor intensity of employees and improving efficiency. Our machine has a total of 4 feeding rollers for automatically feeding foam rolls. 2 for feeding the upper material and 2 for feeding the lower material. They are controlled by buttons. Our machine has built-in needle rollers that can be synchronized to pierce the material during the laminating process, releasing excess gas and making the lamination stronger. No air bubbles on laminated foam. In addition, this design can help to save the storage time of the material and reduce the storage cost. And you don't need to purchase additional hole-piercing machines to exhaust air, further reducing costs. The 2 tensioning devices are used to hold the material in place and can be automatically adjusted according to the width and thickness of the material, controlled by buttons, to ensure lamination alignment and flatness. The material can be fed automatically when it passes through the roller. No need to manually pull the material through the whole machine. It further reduces the work intensity of workers, improves efficiency, and ensures the safety of workers. The operation is very simple. Just click on the screen to heat up, set the thickness of the upper and lower materials, and start laminating with one click. No need to set other parameters. No need experienced master. Anyone can operate it, reducing labor costs. After lamination, pull the foam to the winder, which automatically winds and pulls off the laminated foam roll, saving time and energy in collecting material. The 2 sets of bonding rollers are controlled by the same set of motors and synchronized to rotate at a uniform speed to ensure that the material will not be stretched or bent. The 2 sets of bonding rollers have a built-in water cooling system so that the rollers don't get hot and don't burn the material, guaranteeing perfect bonding results. In addition, this design extends the life of the rollers. Our machine is balanced discharge, which ensures that the laminated materials are very flat. Even thick materials are flat. And it can ensure that the material discharge is very smooth, making the operation easier and more labor-saving. Our machine is made of good quality materials, very strong and durable, with a net weight of about 2 tons. The machine is also well designed and looks great. This torque motor controller is to control the winder. The feeding rack is also very solid. Even with 75 millimeters thick foam roll, it is still very stale and not shaken.